MEF recently released our State of the Industry report, Secure Access Service Edge, Validating Cyber Defense in an Era of Unprecedented Threats. I wrote this report with the support of 17 leading service providers and technology vendors in this space, as well as test and certification companies. We coordinated with 8 market research firms to include their perspectives as well, and we appreciate their contributions. In the report, we explored the increasingly hostile global cyber threat environment that is placing every organization under increased pressure. We explained how networking and cybersecurity decision makers can take advantage of industry standards and new certification programs to select the best SASE solutions to address their needs. The risk of major cyber attacks has never been greater. Multiple factors, which are reviewed in the report, are contributing to the increasing volume, sophistication, speed, scale, and cost of cyber attacks worldwide. The rapidly growing digital economy is increasing the attack surface. Accelerating digital transformation across all industries is making organizations more vulnerable. Hyperconnectivity, the faster flow of information, billions of connected devices, and increased use of software are all increasing vulnerabilities to attack. At the same time, the mechanisms to identify, analyze, and address the cybersecurity risks remain inadequate. As a result, we see that overwhelmed cyber defenses and professionals cannot keep pace with the threats. On top of this, the expanding use of artificial intelligence and ransomware as a service by threat actors is lowering the barrier to entry for cyber attacks and empowering bad actors to do even more serious attacks. And then we have, of course, the concerns about a shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals, which are also increasing the vulnerability of organizations. And then rounding out the picture, geopolitical instability is fueling more aggressive attacks against critical infrastructure and increasing the risk of large and catastrophic attacks. The cost of global cybercrime equaled about $8 trillion in 2023, according to Cybersecurity Ventures. This equates to just under 8% of global GDP and at least half of the entire global digital economy. Cybercrime appears capable of reaching 53 to 65% of the entire global digital economy by the end of 2025. In other words, for every 2 steps forward with digital transformation, we're losing at least a step back with cybercrime. Government leaders and senior cybersecurity experts are desperately calling for greater public-private collaboration to strengthen the defense of critical infrastructure in other sectors in the face of these risks. In the report, we summarize 30 examples of attacks against critical infrastructure, and we also go into some examples of the public warnings about the increased risks of large-scale attacks. Organizations worldwide are responding to today's high-risk cyber and threat environment by making cybersecurity the #1 area of digital technology investment in 2024. Increased cloud usage, the rise of remote and hybrid work, and the need to apply zero trust principles are all fueling explosive demand for SASE technologies and services, which solve the problem of protecting users, devices, and applications at scale, regardless of their location. SASE combines network connectivity and mostly cloud-based security functions with subscriber policies to provide a high level of application performance with tightly integrated security capabilities. To address the enterprise demand and also the threat environment, MEF has introduced the world's first standards-based certification program that validates the cyber defense effectiveness and application performance of SASE solutions. Specifically, MEF has standardized and now certified SASE services and technologies, which incorporate SD-WAN, Zero Trust, and Security Service Edge, or SSE. MEF launched the pilot phase of the MEF 3.0 SASE certification program in October of 2023. The program is scheduled to transition from the beta phase to the general availability phase in the second half of 2024. We encourage networking and cybersecurity professionals in all types of organizations to download the State of the Industry report for free to learn about how you can benefit from the standards-based SASE certification. And feel free to reach out to me with any questions by contacting sase@mef.net.